Hey guys, this is Kyle from Tallahassee, Harley-Davidson. I wanted to show you a couple cool little tips and tricks you may not know about on your new motorcycle, specifically when it comes to service intervals. So today I'm going to show you what we do after you get a service completed with us on your infotainment. So as you know, or if you didn't know, when you turn on your radio, there's some info that can be displayed on your bike as far as trip information, fuel mileage, and then also a key thing here that's pretty cool. Obviously you can see faults, elevation, time traveled, but if you toggle all the way to the right here, in the engine icon, it will show you distance since last service. A lot of people forget to reset this distance since your last service. It's just like turning off the oil light in your car. Similar thing here in the infotainment. So what we do, pretty cool feature a lot of people don't know about. In order to reset that light, turn your bike off and you wait for at least 15 seconds. Cue the Jeff, what's that? Cue the music. All right, so after 15 seconds, you're going to take and turn your key to the accessory position, and you're going to wait until the warning screen is displayed. It takes about 10 seconds for the warning screen to be displayed. Once the warning comes up, you're going to press and hold the power off button. And it seems like an eternity. It's probably closer to about 30 seconds. And this will take you into the service menu of your radio. A ton of cool features in here. You can see fault codes on the vehicle. You can do audio. You can do speaker tests. You can actually play tones through each one of your speakers to determine whether or not it's functioning properly. Kind of cool. Same thing with the handlebars. You can take through and do all your tests, and you'll see all these handlebar switches light up. And that'll tell you whether or not you've got a bad switch. But what we're going to be doing today is the reset. When you go into reset, you can change your reset your factory settings from in your radio. If you have stuff saved, presets in radio channels or colors or what have you, you can restore that back to the day one. We're going to be going to a mileage reset. Service reset, clear info screen mileage since last service. You're going to go ahead and hit yes, and that will then zero that mileage counter again for you. So if you forget, hey, I got it a little done after my 5,000 mile interval, I got it closer to 6,000 or 7,000. I just want to make sure I'm back in another 5,000 for my next service. We will reset that mileage for you, and that way it's easy to pull up right off of your info screen again. Go to that engine light icon, and it will tell you how far you've been since your last service interval. Come see us, Tallahassee Harley-Davidson.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun content.